Hello, lovelies. Anyway, happy Pride Month. I think I would probably start almost every video if I remember this month with that. Happy Pride Month. And I did just do a video with a little Pride giveaway. So if you hadn't seen that, definitely go back and see that. What I'm doing now is I had got winnings from young 40 mom crafts. It's books. I think they're if I remember correctly, they're cookbooks. So let's crack them open. And yes, oh my gosh, so heavy. Alrighty, let's see. Always empty because we did, Rusty and I did a video with a happy mail from someone, and we did the whole video and didn't realize that there was a card in the box until the end. Alrighty. Oh, she sent some cool stuff. Let's see what we've got here. And sorry if it shakes because you're like on this tripod on my table. Oh my goodness, a little sticker. He's so cute, and it says Alisha. Oh, okay, Alisha. Sorry, I forgot your name. I forget everything. I forget my own name, so don't ever be insulted if I forget your name or mispronounce your name. And yeah, it's a little card. It says love, and it's got like little old school pens on it. All right. Oh, she's cute. Congratulations, you are awesome. Sincerely, Alisha. Thanks so much. Oh, and a little panda. And she may not know that, but Amanda Rusty was born Amanda, and her nickname at birth became Amanda Panda. And there's more pandas on the back, so totally gonna have to share this with Rusty. And a Garfield sticker with a butterfly. A Garfield comic with a butterfly sticker on it. And he's with the cat. Of course, he's with Garfield. I wonder who first came up with the idea of candy canes. And Garfield says, probably a grumpy old elf. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. I love Garfield. Gosh, I remember when he used to be on the paper, in the newspaper. We don't even get newspapers anymore, especially where I am. Like the local newspaper is like 2 pages. Oh my goodness. Now, these are cookbooks. I don't know how to follow directions really well with almost anything, but Rusty's other half, Banjo or Craig, is a chef. And first of all, this first thing is I'm totally making this cheese ball. I love cheese. Taco beef dip. Come on. I didn't eat yet. I should have probably ate before I opened these. Oh my God. And tea sandwiches. I'll have to replace I think that's cucumbers. Yeah. I'll have to replace the cucumbers with zucchini because I'm allergic to cucumbers. But I can make some for other people. Oh, these are all things I love. Yeah. Pepperoni pasta salad. Hello. My name all over that. Mustard sauce, chive and parsley. Absolutely right on my menu. My stomach is growling as we speak. And barbecue chicken. And that's pretty much the only meat I eat. I'm not a big meat eater. I do eat chicken and I do eat fish. But very, very infrequently do I eat like steaks and stuff. So this was the super awesome one that I know this will be well used in my candy house. Between Craig and I and our candy chocolate fixation, this is all recipes that have to do with M&Ms, and where Alicia lives is where the M&M factory is. So where's my M&Ms? Just saying. But oh, totally stoked about that. And these other ones, I'm so friggin' hungry. And this cookbook is ground beef. Okay, I can substitute with ground turkey because I do eat ground turkey, and I eat ground beef too, just not as often. But oh, these are great because, and there's casseroles which are easy, and then the pies and little patties. Yeah, this might encourage me to start doing some cooking again because I don't eat a lot. You guys probably know that. I eat like maybe one meal a day. And when I say a meal, might be like a can of tuna fish or a sandwich. That's pretty much all I eat. Um, but these are making me extremely hungry. And cooking light, which is also good because I eat light. So nice cal. I'm really excited. And I can't wait when Craig get, maybe tomorrow because Craig's not working. So Craig and I can kind of go through these cookbooks together and he can help me figure out how to do it. That steak does look delicious though, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Yeah. See, now I'm jonesing a steak. Best loved cookies. Totally up my alley. Yes, I am the cookie monster. Candies and cookies. And cheese doodles, ironically. And Lipton soup. This should be interesting. Recipes that you use Lipton's stuff with. These are all, you know, I'm not a big cooker, I guess you'd say, but truly, and I say this sincerely, is each one of these, like I put dressing and I use Lipton's dry seasonings in a lot of the stuff that I do make. Like if I'm making like a pasta salad or whatever, I use ranch and whatever the dressings and stuff in them. So I like very flavorful food because of my eating disorder, ED, trigger warning. I have to be, it's got to be very flavorful and things that I like because otherwise I can't eat it. It's an issue. But anyway, hey, I'm still here after 62 years, so I'm clearly getting in my system what's needed to be to sustain life. So all that's good. Anyway, Alisha, 40 Young Mom Crafts. I'm gonna tag her in the description box. Thank you so very much. These will go to very good use and a couple households and maybe even more than two. So yeah, absolutely love them. And I'm staring at the M&Ms. I'm so hungry and those look so, I wish M&Ms were healthy. Well, dark chocolate is actually healthy for girls, for women, and I use that excuse constantly because I eat chocolate before I go to bed at night. It's weird, and drink coffee before I go to bed at night, or while I'm getting up in the middle of the night. I have a cup of coffee next to me and I'll take a sip of coffee because I'm weird. But anyway, that's part of my charm. Come on, you know that. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you again, 40 Young 40 Mom Crafts. Thank you again, Alisha, for these amazing books. I love your channel, and just want all you lovelies, don't forget the like button, and be well, be happy, be you. Don't judge. Enjoy Pride Month. Be accepting, and just chill, man. You know, just live each day, each moment in that moment. That's the most important thing. Let the past be the past. Don't fret about the future. Live in the moment, and that will bring you joy. Anyway, love you guys.